Welcome to Homestead Heart, and today we are gonna be saving the Ritz. All right. Let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out all of my packages. These are crackers that, as you can see, these are seasonal. They're from the holidays. So you get a good price on them like that. So what I'm going to do to extend the life of these Ritz, I am going to put them inside of my canning jars. These are quart-sized jars. I'm going to put them inside of my jars, and I'm going to use my food saver to take all of the air out. And once I get all of the air out, then I'll be able to pop in, just for extra, an oxygen absorber. Well, actually, before I get the air out, I'll pop in an oxygen absorber, suck all the air out, and then I will store these in my pantry, and hopefully these will last about a year. This is my first time doing it, but I've seen others do it, and so I'm pretty confident I can do it too. Punchinella, punchinella. All right. Oh, if you're not a certain age, you don't know nothing about that. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and get these open. Some of these are kind of broken, so I'm going to be very careful with how I open these to get them all in the jar. Yep, some of them are already broken, and that's okay. I'll grab the ones that's not broken, and I will try. Oh, well, it looks like ain't going to be no nice way to get them in there, so here I go. Just getting them in. I don't know how many of these I'm going to be able to get in the jar. Those are broken. Move those to the side. You can see. If you're doing food storage, it's always good to have several things in your food storage, right? Not just beans and rice. After a while, you get tired of beans and rice. So I would like to go with my jam that I make and can that up too. I would love to have some jam on my crackers. Yes, I would. Oh, those are breaking. Oh, no. I don't want all those little crumbs in there. I just don't want no crumbs in there like that. Okay, look at that. That looks pretty good. One thing about the crackers, you can't, just shove them down in here. You have to, like, gently put them in there because these jokers will break. And I'm just going to give them a quick shake, and maybe they will find their way down without breaking up too bad. And they did. So now I got room for a few more, and I think that's all I'm going to put in there. Yep, that's all I'm going to put in there. Can y'all see that? Let's see. Let me bring it closer. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Yep. Pat those down just a little more. All right. And then I'm going to open up my oxygen absorbers. Going to hurry up and get one of those. Just put it right there on top. And I'm going to put the lid on this jar. And I'm going to do, oh, that is so cute. I'm going to do the next one. Get these open. I am going to try this with the club crackers as well. I love club crackers, y'all. Those are so good to me. So this is a great way, like if you catch them on a sale price, these are like 99 cents. 99 cents. I got 2 boxes, but let me show you. Nothing left of this one. Nothing left. Empty. So I decided, well, I'm going to save this one. I'm going to save this one. I prefer the whole wheat kind, but they did not have whole wheat. So I got these. And in an emergency situation, do you really care if it's whole wheat or not? I know I don't. I'll just take it. I don't want the broken pieces. I don't know. I just want it to look as nice as possible in the jar. I do. Pat that down. Move the broken pieces out of the way. Open up my other one. This one has a lot of broken pieces in it already. And putting these in food storage, not just good with jam, but if you have salmon that you've canned up or something like that, these will go great with that. Everybody likes salmon and crackers, or sardines, I'm sorry, sardines and crackers, something like that. Well, you might like salmon and crackers, I don't know. But sardines and crackers, if you like sardines. Some people can't stand the smell of sardines. I like sardines. I like them. Always have. Ever since my mama would give them to me when I was little. I loved them. All right. And there we go. Move the broken pieces out of the way. And that is a mess. Okay. And then I'm going to take another oxygen absorber. And yeah, I keep these in a jar. Keep these sealed. Get the lid back on here as quick as possible. Don't want those to go bad. And now for the food saver action. Pop mine. This is a wide mouth. This food saver, the one that I have, is the V3240. And this one you can get either online at Amazon, or you can get it. I don't know if they still have this model at Walmart or not, but I got mine from Amazon.com. But I love it. It's a handy dandy little food saver. And let's see if you could see this food saver while I'm at it. I love the fact that my food saver has this little seal where you put your plastic in, or your food saver bag in, and then when you press down on the lid and you hit vacuum and seal, it sucks all of the air out, and then it seals it for you. I love that. I love that. And it doesn't have, well, yes, actually it does. Up here is where the rolls are. Ta-da! And this is the little blade right here so that you can cut the amount of bag that you need. So for example, this is my roll here. Tighten you back up. And as you can see, it comes on a roll. These little rolls are expensive too, so I recommend, using these wisely. Don't just use them for nothing at all, and then you're gonna open it up next week. I wouldn't use this for that, because this costs a lot of money. But anyway, once you pull that down like that, then you can slide this, and it'll cut the bag off to fit the size of the item that you're going to be using to seal a food product in. So anyway, I love this little food saver. They have some that's bigger than this, and they have some that's smaller. Get the one that you like. Find one that you like, and to me, this is a fantastic homesteading tool. I don't want to do without my food saver. I love it. And then this little attachment right here, this little hose came, did it? I don't remember if it came with it or not. I've had it that long. But anyway, these are the attachments right here. And you can get these from Amazon too. I don't remember how much they cost, but you can get them. I have the wide mouth, and I also have the regular mouth. So these are fantastic. So I'm just going to connect these back. And then I am going to, well, let me take this off first. Pop the lid on here. Come on. Come on. What's the part? Oh, goodness gracious me. That's the problem. All right, let's see if I can put it back on there. Tighten it back up. Isn't that weird? All right. Now I'm going to take it off because I want to make sure I got it on there right. This joker don't want to. Oh, okay. There we go. Make sure I got my lid on there right. It's really not that complicated, y'all. I don't know why this thing is giving me such a hard time. It really just kind of pops right down on there. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to put that in, and then I am going to hit vacuum and seal. Make sure that's on there good. It is on there good. On there pretty good. Ta-da! I'm going to wait for it to turn off. If I had a plastic bag in here, it would be sealing it right now. So I'm going to wait till it releases. Here we go. Take the thing out and take this off. If I could take it off. Come on. Oh, seriously. It's late in the evening and maybe I'm just too tired to be doing this right now. Perfect. No, something didn't go right. Because that should be in. I don't know. Let's see. Let's try it again. So, duh. I figured out what I did wrong. I told you it's late in the evening. I don't need this thing on there right now. I crack myself up sometimes. There we go. Okay. I cracked myself up. Now let's do this. That was funny. Don't y'all tell nobody I did that either. Do not be sharing this video talking about look at what she did. Yeah. I know, it's funny. Yeah, I'm going to post this video. I don't care how it made me look. I'm going to post this video. Sure am. All right, take this out. Take this off. And guess what? It's sealed. Woohoo! Now, my dear, I can put on the ring. Okay, that was done. Take off the band, please. There you go. Put this on. Plop. There you go. Put that in. Press vacuum and seal. This is taking all of the air out. As you can see, this lid seals once you're done. And I've got an oxygen absorber in there just for added, just to be a little redundant on it. I love this little tool. My food saver is a very important tool to me. My pressure canner is number 1. My dehydrator is number 2. My food saver is number 3. And that does it. Pop that out. Pop this off. And, whoa. Yep. Ta-da! That is sealed. Look at that. Alright, and then I will put on my ring. I'm going to put the date on these jars. Put a little label on them. Put the date on them. And I'm going to just leave them. I want to know how long these are going to last. I might leave them like this for a couple of years. We'll see. I just want to know what they're going to taste like. So I will get these labeled with today's date, which is Super Bowl Sunday. And once I get the date on them, I'll put them in my food storage. All right, you all. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. And thank you so much again for watching Homestead Heart. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I really would appreciate that as well. Thank you all so much again. Peace and blessings to you all.